Sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 나나 봐 Sound really fine.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Merls. Ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about futsuke ng potential form. First, rule number 1. Change final u sounds to e sounds and add ru for positive, which means I can or able to. Then add nai for negative, which means I cannot or not able to. Next, ikeru. So change final u sounds to e sound. Ang jishuke na iku magiging ike. Add ru for positive magiging ikeru. In English, I can go. Next, ikinai. From jishuke iku magiging ike. Add nai for negative. So magiging ikinai, meaning I can't go. Next, rule number 2. Cancel ru and add rareru for positive, which means I can or able to. And add rarinai for negative, which means I cannot or not able to. For example, taberu. Ang rule po niya is cancel ru then add rariru for positive. So magiging taberareru. In English, I can eat. Next, tabirarinai. Okay, so cancel ru from jishuke and add birarinai for negative. Magiging tabirarinai. In English, I can't eat. Next example, nerariru. Okay, from jishuke neru, cancel ru and add rariru magiging nerariru, meaning I can sleep. Next, nirarinai. Okay, so cancel ru and add rarinai. So yung neru magiging nirarinai. In English, I can't sleep. Next, rule number 3. Suru becomes dekiru for positive, which means I can or able to. Then add dikinai for negative, which means I cannot or not able to. Then kuru becomes kurareru for positive, which means I can or able to. Then add kurarinai for negative, which means I cannot or not able to. For example, binkyo suru. Okay, so suru becomes dikiru. So magiging binkyo dikiru. In English, I can study. Next, binkyo dikinai. Suru becomes dikinai for negative. So magiging binkyo dikinai. In English, I cannot study. Next example, motekuru. So ang rule po niya is kuru becomes kurarero for positive. So magiging motekurareru. In English, I can bring. Okay, so next, kurarinai. Okay, so kuru becomes kurarinai for negative. So magiging motekurarinai. In English, I cannot bring. Potential B. Ang rule number 1, rule number 2, at rule number 3, iisa lang po yung rules nila. Copy jishuke and add kotoga dikiru for positive, which means I can or able to. Then add kotoga dikinai for negative, which means I cannot or not able to. Rule number 1, example. From jishoke kesu, ang rule po natin is copy jishoke, then add koto ga dekiru. So, magiging kisu koto ga dekiru. In English, I can erase. Next, from jishoke kisu, add koto ga dekinai for negative, magiging kesu koto ga dekinai. In English, I cannot erase. Next, rule number 2. From jishoke taberu, then add koto ga dekiru for positive, magiging taberu koto ga dekiru. In English, I can eat. From jishoke taberu, then add koto ga dekinai, so magiging taberu koto ga dekinai. In English, I cannot eat. Next, so from jishoke benkyu suru, copy jishoke, then add koto ga dekiru, magiging benkyu suru koto ga dekiru. In English, I can study. Next, from jishoke motekuru, copy jishoke, then add koto ga dekinai, magiging motekuru koto ga dekinai. In English, I cannot bring.